Welcome to the Distributor How-To video series, How to Search for Products. Go to the SourcingMachine homepage and go to the white bar where type in the product name, description or code. Click on the magnifying glass and SourcingMachine will bring up the most relevant results first. Click on any product and it'll bring up detailed information about that product. Product name, product description, the supplier, the colors available, print area, and also pricing information is included on most products on SourcingMachine. If you'd like to get a quote, there's a button there available where you can just fill in the field and the supplier will send you back a quote quickly. You can also request a sample. And there's a notes area where you can add in your customer's address for your supplier to send the sample direct. You can even request a Zoom meeting or place an order on SourcingMachine. If you'd like to add your product to an idea sheet or a quote sheet, click these two buttons and it'll immediately add them to the basket on the top right hand corner of your page. From there you'll be able to process your idea sheet or quote sheet to send to your client. To the right of the magnifying glass there's a down arrow. This opens up a new window where you'll find the advanced search tools. You can even search for eco products, fast track, recycled, or for items that are produced in your home country. Thank you for watching.